Okay, guys, welcome to Page Maths World. We're going to do some fraction. Guys, please remember to subscribe to Page Maths World so you can get more maths like these and more other maths. And complicated maths, though, be afraid to ask her, okay? So she's going about to start right now.
Hi guys, welcome. All right, so today we're going to start with some very basic fractions. All right, so we're going to look at fractions with the same denominators. So here we go. We're going to look at, for example, 1/3 plus 2/3, and we're going to see how best we can simplify this and solve. Now, if we have the same denominators, the only thing that we're going to do is just add the numerators. All right. So in this case, it would be 1 plus 2, and that would give us what? 3. And we keep the denominator as it is. So we'll put it as 3. Everyone knows that 3 over 3 is the same thing as 1, right? I Sikadan. So 3 over 3 is the same thing as 1. That means what? 3 into itself goes 1, and 3 into itself go 1. 1 divided by 1. Anything over itself is 1. All right? So that's a basic math. All right, so if we want, let's try this one together. So we'll say 2 over 4 plus say 1 over 4. We're going to be adding these two together to see what we get. You can pause the video and try, and then see if you get the same answer as I do. So again, remember, if you have the same denominator, your answer will have the same denominator, right? And if it is addition, all you need to do is to add the numerator. So 2 plus 1 would give us what? 3. And so that's your answer for that one. So if you got that, give yourselves a round of applause. All right, we're going to step it up a bit. How are you, Sikadan? How you doing, bro? All right, so supposing you have different denominators. I'm going to show you two ways in which you can solve fractions with different denominators. All right, so we're going to start with, say, 2 divided by 3 plus 1 over 2, or 1/2. How do we go about getting this, solving this, simplifying this? So we're going to look at the denominators. We see that this is a 3 and this is a 2. They're not the same. So they're not like the first one. So the thing that we're going to do, we're going to look for the lowest common multiple between 3 and 2. So you're going to find a factor or multiple that 3 can go into, the lowest one, and 2 can go into. So when we look at 3 and 2, we can say, oh, 3 times 2 is 6. So that would be a very simple one to use, right? That would be the least common multiple to use. So here we go. We're going to draw our line to represent that we're going to put this as a fraction. So our LCM for this fraction, for these two denominators, would be 3 and 2 would be 6. And so not all the time you can multiply to get the denominators. I'm going to show you an example of that. Hi, Love Eyes. Thank you for coming in. And LA Nika's Corner. All right. So in this case, again, how are you doing? Okay. So if we have two denominators, as I said, sorry about my puppy. All right, if we have two different denominators, you have to find the LCM for 3 and 2. So the LCM for 3 and 2 would be, that's the lowest common multiple, would be 6. So you'd say 3 into 6, or you divide 3 into 6. How many times 3 can go into 6? And we all know that is 2, right? So we take that 2 and we're going to multiply it by our numerator. So it would be 2 times 2, which is 4. Then we know it's an addition, so we're going to be adding. And now we're going to say 2 into 6. How many times we can get 2 from 6? We can get it from 6 3 times. So now we're going to say 3 multiplied by the numerator, which is 3 times 1. That is 3. And now we can go ahead and add our numerators. 4 plus 3, that's 7 over our denominator, which is 6. Thank you, Elenika. Good job. All right. Can somebody put this in a mixed fraction for me? Hi, Tammy. Welcome. I need somebody to try to give me this as a mixed fraction. So this is an improper fraction. We're going to try to get it into a mixed fraction. What is 7 over 6 as a mixed fraction? Come on, Tammy. Love Eyes, give me your answer. Nika, you're the maths ed. So give me what is 7 over 6 as a mixed fraction? Good job, Nika. Woo! Good one. Yes, Love Eyes, I am. I was asking you for the answer. Really, Tammy, you're going to be great at it now. So 7 over 6, as Nika said, as a mixed fraction, that would be 1, because we can say 6 into 7. How many times you can get 6 from 7? 1 time, right? And what is remaining? When you get that 1 from it, it's going to have 1 remaining. So it's going to be over your denominator. So how can we get this back? Let us look. 6 times 1 would give us 6, right? Plus 1, that would give us 7. So 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1, 7, and so we would get back 7 over 6. All right? Okay, got your time. I realized Sonika love math. All right, so yeah, so this as a mixed fraction would be, you're going to take the denominator again, and you're going to see how many times we can get 6 from 7. We get that 1 time, so that's our whole number. And then we're going to see how much would remain. And so we're going to have 1 remaining, because 6 from 7 is 1. 1 is going to remain, so we put that 1 over the denominator. All right, so I'm going to show you another way we can do this fraction. So please remember what we got for this answer, 7 over 6, or 1 and 1/6. So we're going to do the same fraction a different way. I like showing my students different methods in doing math. So let us look at this same thing. 2 over 3, or 2/3, plus 1/2. Now, with this method, it's a bit lengthier, but you are going to get back the same. You're supposed to get the same answer. All right, so we're going to take our first fraction, which is 2 over 3. And when we look at the second fraction, we're going to take the denominator and we're going to multiply this fraction by that as a fraction as well. So we're going to put this 2 over 2. So it's going to be 2 over 2. So you take the denominator and you multiply, you're dividing it by itself. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to multiply this fraction. So it's going to be 2 times 2, which is 4, and 3 times 2, which is 6, right? So we deal with that part, the first one. Now we're going to deal with the second one. We're doing the same thing. So it's going to be 1/2, and you're going to take the denominator for this one, which is 3. So you're going to multiply this fraction by 3 over 3. So it's the same thing. You're taking this one, you're multiplying it by the denominator of this the other fraction. So it's going to be 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. So now we realize we have 4 over 6, plus 3 over 6. So we're going to put them together. 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6. We're going to add them now together. So it's going to be 4 plus 3 is 7, and we put it back over the same denominator, which is 6. So do you see that we get the same answer no matter what we do? So this is another method. It's a bit complicated, but I realized when I got here and I was teaching here, most of my students said this is what they have learned in middle school. It's a bit lengthier. I showed them the first method and they had problems with it. They were like, Miss Hamilton, we don't learn it that way, but this is that way was a simpler way than this. This is too complicated for me. But there we go. Voila, it's the same answer, right? Congrats, the love is done. Yeah, that's good. One with distinction. Yeah. All right, let us give you guys one to try. Remember, when we have the same denominator, you don't need to you just add the top. Only time you look for the LCM if you have a denominator. So here we go. We're gonna challenge Love Ice and Raymond. You're here, so you're gonna one as well. As well as I want Nika. Nika has a bright sparks in my. She has my pet name. And naturally Tammy and Love Ice. Okay. So naturally Tammy and Love Ice, you're gonna do this one for me. What happened to my video? It went. All right, so we're gonna have say 3/5 plus 2/5. All right, so that one is yours. Very easy. 3/5 plus 2/5. Come on, Levice. Give it a shot. Remember, when it's the same denominator, you don't need to find an LCM. That's going to be the denominator that's going to be in your answer. Tommy? Tommy? Nika, who's here? Nika? Everybody went? All right. Raymond, you're not trying. Ray. You're not seeing it? I guess Love Eyes has seen it. Love Eyes has seen it? All right, Nika, go ahead. Give me your answer because they're taking too long. You're going to win? Okay. Come on, Nika, give me your answer. Raymond is begging for time to do it. Good job. Okay, so Ray says the answer. What did you get, Nika? Ooh! You see, Nika's a bright sparks here. Good job, Nika. Yes. So I did say yes, Ray. You got the 5/5. And everybody know 5/5 is the same thing as 1. All right, so when it's the same denominator, again, your answer has to have that denominator, right? Only thing you're gonna do is to add the numerator. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So there you go, 5/5. And we can simplify this. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And so our answer is 1. All right, so good job, Tanika. Good job, Raymond. We're gonna try another one with different denominators. So let us look at. So 3/8 plus say 2/5. So let us see what you guys do with this one. So 3/8 plus 2/5. Remember, we have to find the LCM, the lowest common multiple. Come on, Raymond. The lowest common multiple between 8 and 5. Love Eyes, what do you get, Love Eyes? Hi, Mr. Imperial. Okay, Mr. Imperial gave his answer. 42. All right, Mr. Imperial, tell me how you got that. How did you get 42? Raymond, what about you? Nika, what did you get? No, Nika is last. And Nika, I don't want you to come in yet. Okay, Raymond got 5 out of 40. All right. Mr. Imperial, how did you get that? Raymond, how did you get 5 out of 40? All right, go ahead, Nika. Tell me what you got. What you got for it? Raymond versus 8. Read Mr. Imperial comment. The answer of the universe is the number 42. Okay, Mr. Imperial. Nika, what did you get?
Somebody will kid.
Is Raymond texting in the chat because I'm not seeing him? Really? Yeah, he is. He texts 5 out of 40 and then he texts 8 as the answer. What did you get, Love Eyes? Ooh, my girl says 31 out of 40. Come, puppy. Be quiet.
31.
Tommy, really? Where were you, Tommy? I've been calling you. Tommy. No, Tommy. Really, Tommy? You weren't paying attention early on? You're one of those kids that have to come around and smack you in the head. They're not seeing you, Raymond.
No, slow fight about that.
Just love it.
You don't know what happened.
Naturally, Tommy, yes, Raymond is typing in the chat, but he's saying nobody's seeing him.
No.
Love Ice is not seeing him.
You're
You're not a bad student. You're gonna learn. We're just gonna focus on fraction today, though. Probably another day we can do. If you guys type in the comment anything that you want me to work on, I can work on those. Any topics? Any topic that you guys are struggling with or you want a little bit of insight on, I can help. All right, so okay, so Nika says she see Ray. All right, so let us work on this because I'm not staying here much longer. All right, so the LCM for 3/8 and 2/5. So the LCM for 8 and 5 would be, as you all say. So Raymond, you got that part correct. And Nika, yes. So let us go now and see what is the answer. I think I know what you did, Raymond. You said, oh, the LCM is 40, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. So that's how you got 40/5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. What grade? Oh, these are baby maths, what I teach. Tammy, I teach grade 10, 11, and 12 graders. When I was in Jamaica, I used to teach A-level math. So in grade 11, in sixth form, I used to do lower 6 and upper 6 back home. All right, the light is giving a little bit clear there. All right, so let us get on to it. All right, so we're going to say how many times we can get 8 from 40?
5.
Okay, 5 times. Everybody agree? So it's going to be 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is what?
15. 5 times 15.
So nobody's saying it. 5 times 3. Thank you, Tommy. Oh, you see, Tommy is not so bad at math. Okay, Nika. Well, that's good, Nika. I'm glad you're studying it. Are you majoring in math? All right, so we're going to put back our plus sign because that's what we're doing. We're adding. And then we say 5 into 40. How many times we can get 5 from 40? Oh my God, Imperial. Look at what. All right, let me know. 4 times Tammy. So Tammy says, really, Tammy? Come on. Five. How many times you can get 5 from 40? Okay, that's a good one. That's a good major. You're here or you're in Jamaica? Thank you, Tammy. Good job. 8. So 8 times 2.
16.
Good, Raymond. 16. So 15 plus 16. 15 plus 16.
First, I know I'm a genius.
You saw his answer?
31.
Thank you, Tammy. Yes, so 31 over. So who is right? Who is correct?
As usual, Nika the bright head.
Okay.
Bright
So
head
yes,
Nika.
it's 31 over 40. Okay. So Nika, please tell me you're going to the best university back home. All right. Let me say the one that I did my bachelor's in. So I did my bachelor's at a teacher's college. Which one are you going? Let us see if we are going to the best. Congrats again, Nika. All right, so the answer is 31 over 40. All right.
One more like that.
All right, you want one more like that? Okay. So let us do.
I'm gonna beat Nika. Nika feel like how she feel.
Why, Nika? Why did you have to cramp my style like that? NCU. No, that's not mine. Oh. So it's 5 over 7. And let us do this one 1 over 3. So 5 over 7 plus 1 over 3. What's your answer? So, Mr. Imperial, everything looks like 42 to you? 31 over 40 looks like 42? All right, Tommy. Nika, Raymond is trying to beat you at this. So you have 16 over 21. What did you get, Nika? Bring me some, Tommy. What are you going to look? Chips? We should link up, Tommy.
No, long tell her if you wiggle it.
Yeah, no, my remember so she live far.
So, we're playing the lever.
We should have go over, make we allow we meet up for Thanksgiving.
You say it to her.
What should say?
She let them answer. From one wrong. Lord Jesus.
All right, so Nika said 22 over 21. Raymond says 16 over 21. Let us see. And of course, Mr. Imperial says 42.
Oh, yes, she right with you.
Really, Tommy?
Me
I don't want to hear nothing from you. Can you go to go eat? Can you
No.
never say, Paige, you want to come?
No, I'm do wrong.
Want to take a road trip, you know, Tommy?
7, 5, 20, 23.
So Nika, as a mixed fraction, is 1 and 1 over 21. So let us see. Again, so let us see if Mr. Imperial is correct this time. He said 42. You know, get answer already, sir? Mr. Sir?
I'm on there.
All right, Tommy. Eat for me, yeah? What I eat piece right now. Raymond said 23 over 21. All right, Lord Jesus. Let us see. So LCM for 3 and 7 is 21. That part you guys got correct. Lord Jesus, tell me how much you driving that? I think about 16 hour drive from on a road trip. I not like you flying. Oh my God, hear him. Jax, be quiet. So Imperial says 6. All right, let us see. Oh, wait, what the artist of Jamaica name? Well, I was say 6.
Or 6.
All right, 7 into 21. How many times we can get 7 from 21?
73.
3 is right. 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
3 times 5.
15.
Good. 3 into 21.
Because the older you get 6.
At that moment, I know. 3 into 21. Thank you, Tammy. 7. 7 times 1. You don't need a calculator for that, Ray. 7 times 1.
7.
Thank you, Tammy. All right. So 15 plus 7. Look at them going for a calculator.
23. To me, right?
Or did you get 23, Ray?
22. Ah, Jesus.
How on earth? Come on, we have to go draw circles. So 15. You see, Tommy sir, Ray, man, you make me feel smart. All right, Ray, 15 and 7.
So now I say 22.
So where you got 23 from?
I must have 8 minutes since I 7.
God, Jesus. So 22 over 21.
Make time move on.
All right, now we're going to turn this into an improper fraction. Ray, don't read the comment. I need you to give me this as an improper fraction.
All right, it's easy. This is 1 and 2 over 20, 21.
Oh, Jesus. So Ray said he got 1 and 2 over 21. Ray, check again. How much time you can get 21 from 22? Listen to what I'm saying. 21 from 22.
One time.
And how much are going to remain? When I take 21 from 22, how much remain?
Oh, okay. 1 and 1 over 21.
Good job. All right. Give yourselves a round of applause. So I'm still waiting on Imperial to tell me how we got 6. Okay, no problem, Levice. Thank you for staying.
Thank you, Levice.
I'm gonna leave. Can I cut off?
Share out. Oh, she said she's so cut off.
I'm soon leave and I say for what it.
All right.
All right, let us look at some more math. Look, I'm gonna go fuzzy your brains now.
I'm mash up everything.
Yeah, gonna mash up. All right. All right, so let us see. 1 and 1 over 3 plus say 3 over 5. Here we go. All right, for this one now, we have to turn this into an improper fraction first. I would recommend, so it's not a must, but I would recommend that you turn this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. I did show you how to do that.
Thank you, Love Eyes. You can't see me in text, but I can hear me all rusty voice. Big up.
Again, you have to turn this into a mixed fraction, Ray. And then you find the LCM, and then you add.
Give me a minute. Now you're up, sit down. Sit down there, big up.
Hi, Sydney Johnson. Hey, she has my last name.
Johnson, your last name now?
My last name, not because I'm married.
Opportunity now, proper fraction, so say? What do you know? Oh, that's Rabbi. 1, 3, 4. So that's Rabbi 4.
Thank you, Sydney.
Over 3 plus 3 over 5. Oh, for the right.
So who's going to give me the answer for this one?
Thank you, Love Eyes.
I'm a father named that in a way. You can't take with Johnson no matter what.
Badness it being. Sydney Johnson. Johnson, I'm a bad breeder. Sydney, you are here.
Leave her alone.
Am I right? 4 over 3 plus 3 over 5?
I'm not answer you, I need the answer. Right where you get.
Okay.
What did you get when you add these
4
two together?
3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 5. That make it.
Remember, guys, to go over to page Matt's World and give me a subscription and a like. So I can, yes, so I can start my own thing, not using some bad breed people life. That's not the answer, Ray.
Right?
You need to add them together.
Oh, the full answer, I think you said that
Jesus,
one.
Savior. God bless us soul.
I get this. No, I got this.
All right, again, please to go over to page Matt's World. You're going to see a picture of me coming up. Just hit that subscription button. So when I go live, which I'm off for Thanksgiving break, so I'll be home doing some math in the days.
You can get the answer. I mean, all the bright sparks in it.
Come, Nika. Nika, give me an no. Don't put the answer yet, Nika. Make Ray got teethy.
You me a boots are up.
Don't put the answer, Nika.
Hope me right.
All right. Raymond said 29 over 15. Nika, what did you say?
Nika, just tell us some right now, man.
And remember, guys, if you guys have any problems that he's right, okay. If you guys have any problems, any math problems to come up with calculus, trigonometry, problem stats, you guys can let me know. I'll be happy to help. All right, so let us work this together. All right, so let's see. 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 1, 4. So we got 4 over 3, plus 3 over 5. And now we're going to look for the LCM. Again, those who don't remember, the LCM is the lowest common multiple. So the LCM for 3 and 5 would be 15. 3 into 15, how many times we can get 3 from 15? We can get 3 into 15 5 times. 5 times 4, 20 plus. And now we're going to say 5 into 15 goes 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And so we're going to add those two numerators together. And so it's going to be 29 over 15. Yes, Nika. So E is indeed correct. 1 for Ray. 3 for Nika. I'm Afat. Welcome. So Nika, you have to put your answer in. All right, put it before him. No. Ray, you need some more? We're gonna do some more, a couple more. I'm trying to do just 1 hour and then I'm off. So congrats, Ray. All right, so we're gonna look at one more. You ready? All right, so we're gonna say 2 and 1/3. I love 1/3 plus 1.5. This is easy. So you guys are gonna try that one for me and type your answers in the chat. Imperial, what is your answer? Where's Imperial? Imperial, what's your answer? 42 again? All right, so mixing Moffat says 26 over 6. Nika says 23 over 6. Raymond, what do you say? 26 over 6? All right, so let us see. So you guys want to challenge my girl Nika? She's a teacher in the making, you know. All right, so remember we have to turn these mixed fractions into improper fractions, so let us do that. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3, so 3 over 2. And then we're going to find the LCM, of course, is 6. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 2 into 6 goes 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And so that's 23 over 6. Come on, mixing with more. You see what he does? He changes answers the last. Ray, you're not changing your answer. So you guys are wrong.
Mixing. Me not copy from you again, boy. Sure. Me get wrong answer.
Yeah, one of them. Yeah, one of them will love copy answer from people. All right, so we have 3 persons to give credit. So we're gonna go on until 1 hour. So we have like what, 12 minutes? Somebody do the calculation. It's 48 minutes.
General, same do it in them head.
That is that bright, right? It's close. It's very close. All right, congrats, Nika.
My boy say 42. No, sir. Imperial, me give up on you.
Imperial answer again?
You original 42. Good thing I have 42.
Oh, Jesus. Really, Imperial? Imperial and you 42. I forgot to make sure so everybody see him answer. 42. All right, so 23 over 6. We forgot about Imperial. A pair of glasses in the red. All right, so let us look at. Let me step it up a bit. I'm going to step it up a bit. I'm going to use the same 1 1/3 plus 2 1/2 plus. So let's see who is thinking. Plus. So let me put. I don't want to go too far. So put 2 over 5. Let us see what you guys get for this one. So we're pushing it a bit. So 1 1/3 plus 2 1/2 plus 2 over 5. What is the answer? So Moffat, please don't do it in your head. Write it on a piece of paper. And Imperial, please don't tell me 42 again. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna do some angles on Monday. Tomorrow's my church day, so I'm not gonna be. But we're off for 1 week. I'm gonna use that 1 week, 1 hour per day. All right, again, so Monday we can look at angles to see if Imperial can get the winnings. Anybody? Anybody finish here? Moffat, Nika. I know Tammy's driving, so she can't text. And Love Ice is still here. Thank you, Love Ice, for hanging around.
Tammy, that look food for me and Walani. Bombard. Oh, that the fraction is so long.
It's the same concept. Once you know how to what to do, you can add them. So you're still finding the LCM?
All right. Me have this lock.
I know, Tammy. Yes, Love Ice.
Look if me not gonna get it right.
Nobody copy nobody answer, man. Look what's the way you get. Oh, you get it? I put pepper and ketchup. I never bother get the jerk chicken. Okay, got you, Tammy. Tammy and Nika so for email or some sir. I she if you send with jerk chicken, don't it, Tammy?
Is that one hard, brother?
In a hard, at the same concept. Moffat, do you have your answer? Moffat. Tommy, you know, hear me. I say, she if you send we jerk chicken, should the wait a natural, real crap there. She did that good.
Why wouldn't want to see for me and say, brother? I'm not gonna laugh.
Yeah, stay along like Moffat. Moffat say, forgive me a second.
But don't know what me right. Don't laugh though.
Yeah, man, straight, same so. Yeah, but sorry, earlier on, Monsieur Type, Atlanta. We could have meet up there, so yes, cause that's what that be like closer to it. You have to give us a date this week, Tommy. We can try, don't it, Ray?
Mm-hmm.
We can try. Try Duolingo. All right, Raymond bless 127 over 30. Let me see. See if you can go back up and tell me what Nika said for me, please. I think is the same she said.
Mm-hmm. Look at them. Look at them.
Yeah, Raymond not get it in. Oh my god.
Look at them. Once she get him, I get it.
So yes, Nika can't run go.
I'm a workout.
Mm-hmm. All right. So yes.
No, let me do it back up. If me get it, it's fair answer. All right. Is it?
May I say Moffat answer? And then we'll work it together. I want to do one last one before we end the live. So today's again on fractions only, and we didn't even touch subtraction. Oh, we all do that sometimes, Nika. All right, so all three of you said that. So let us work it quick and fast then, no? So 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4 over 3, plus 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 over 2, plus 2 over 5, and the LCM is what? 30. That's 10, 10 times 4, 40, plus 2 into 30 goes what? 1, and that 15. 15 times 5, that looks something.
25.
You guys sure? Plus, that's going to go 6 times 6 times 2, 12. Add those for me. 40 and 12, that's 52, 52 and 75. That's 127. All right, good job, guys. you're more fast? You said get the answer a long time, just a check it.
What a time in my check.
Good job, Moffat. Great job, Nika. All right, so since I've been doing addition, let us do a little mixing for the last 5 or 4 minutes change. And then that would be our wrap up.
Multiply.
No, multiplying too easy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so 2 and 2/3 plus 1 and 1/4 minus 3/5. All right, there you go.
Same way you do it?
A 2-way. Okay, Moffat, you need to tell me the other way. Did you work? Were you? No, you wasn't here when I was showing you guys the other way to work it. Probably it's the other method, Moffat, that I was using. I use a method at the beginning of the video. So probably you can look back and see if that is it. All right, so it's 2 2/3 plus 1 1/4 minus 3/5. What's your answer? And it's gonna take a couple minutes or two, but Nika, you got this. Nika is my winner, you know.
Right.
And then Moffat, my second, or Raymond. Which one are you? While you guys are working, thank you guys again for coming in.
Remember to subscribe to page
Matt's World.
so she can't stop using my live.
I don't want to use your live anymore. It's just my intro.
Right, sure.
I'm a user in that case, right? So just use it to introduce my thing.
So this is about take calculator.
All right, we got an answer from Moffat. So let's see what Nika and Raymond comes in with.
So Moffat are going like me and Nika done some feel like I forgot to have to calculator.
Mr. Imperial, what's the answer for the question on the board? Again, guys, remember to go over to page Match World. I don't have anybody there yet, I think. So you guys go over there and give me a subscribe or subscription. So at least when I go on Monday for my 1 hour or my hour, you guys can come on in. I plead the 5th. Oh Jesus.
No, who said that?
Really? The mighty Imperial.
You know some my boy like you right now? Like you right now. Right now.
Waiting on the great.
So me alone.
Yes, you're the only one that needs
to.
to.
I'm gonna show you my one like a carrot, is it? You understand?
No, Moffat, Nika put it in a mixed fraction for me, you know. Moffat said, no bother with it. All right, so let's wait on Raymond.
Man, those who wait upon Raymond.
Come on, let's stop the talk. I sing. Soca sing. You guys want a homework for Monday? 1 hour. That's an hour.
All right. Hold on.
I like giving homework, you know.
Guys, please tell your friends, your students, your kids. You know what I mean? Free maths I give you over so plus credit.
No credit now give it every day, sir.
Okay, I have my answer.
So
answer.
But yeah, guys, if you guys have any have a child or children, or know anybody that needs to, they're struggling and they need help, they can put in the comment over my page. They can put over my page their topic or the subtopics that they're having problem with, and I can do some problems on that. Where's the answer, mister?
So I guess Moffat's got a kind of the info put in. Put in the answer, see.
All right, Nika. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna ask Ray. He's the what do you call this now? Social media guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it for you.
All right,
so
Raymond.
Subscribe to our page because this is like literally my life, my channel. This so it's like my help her to start off. Yeah, I mean,
But Monday is gonna be my page, not yours.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. So shall use fear on Monday, so that the only one can see her, else you know, subscribe, please, and bring her up. More to read
So
fast.
Moffat say use Yard Stream. I guess
Yeah,
Ray.
man, I gotta use it fair. We know what
I
we
don't
talk.
know half of one else. All right, so let us get on with this. All right, so 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, that's 8 over 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, 5 over 4, minus 3 over 5. LCM. What did you guys get for the LCM?
60.
60. All right, so
which one? You know, say,
for this one,
oh,
the light was shining
no,
on this
my
one.
thing I'm also.
All right, 3 into 60 goes what? 20 times? 20 times 8. That's what, 160? Am I
So,
correct?
what I teach? You need to have to bracket it out first. I just say me take so long, come bracket my one.
Oh my God. Imperial. It's pizza. All right, 20 times 6, 20 times 8. Guys, you're confused, my brain. Plus 4 into 60 goes what?
40, 60 go for. You need it away there.
4 into 60, guys. The answer is pizza. Yeah, I see him, Nika. Come, guys, 4 into 60. So 4 into 6 was 1, remaining 2, and 4 into 20 goes 5. Okay. Appear trouble.
Then the fall of madman imperial.
15 times 5. 15 times 5. Nobody not answering?
Wait, no.
Oh, not so, sir. I'm kidding. Wanna get answers, so I'm supposed to have working out.
Yeah, but me I tell me never do it your way. That's
all right, 15 times 5 is 75, yes.
Yeah, Nika says 75.
And then 5 into 60 goes what? 1, and that's 12. 12 times 3. Oh my God, Imperial. What happened to Mr. Imperial? 12 times 3 is 36. So we're gonna add based on PEMDAS. We're gonna add first. So 160 and 75. That's 235 minus 36.
199.
199. Yeah. Good job.
That's right. I gotta get credit too.
You're not getting that credit. All right. So thank you guys. All right. So we're gonna do what Mika did. We did this at the beginning. We're gonna turn this into a mixed fraction. So how many times we can get 60 from 199? So we're gonna divide 199 by 60, and we get 3 times. So this is 3 times. How much remaining? 3 times 60. And we subtract that from 199. So that's going to be 19 over 60. I think Nika had that at the beginning. All right. Good job, guys. Woo. I hope you guys have a little fun today.
My poor brain.
Thank you, guys. Nika, how we can forgive Nika our credit?
Oh, my Instagram. Can I pull up my Instagram?
Put it in our chat. Nika, you can text your number to Ray Instagram and Megs on Music, and then write the type of phone you have, if it is Lime or Digi, and Moffat. Yeah. Type your send your number to Megs on Music. It's in the chat.
Yeah, Instagram.
Is Instagram. Send him your number and the type of phone you have, so I can go ahead and send you your credit. And it's not $1 million, guys. It's just a starter. Oh boy. So again, remember, go to Megs on Music, type your number in, and I'll get over there and I'll send you some credit. Alrighty, guys, thank you for coming in. I didn't have the world of people coming in, but I appreciate you guys coming in. Thank you. I think Love Ice is still here. Thank you, Love Ice. Thank you, Tammy, Nika, Moffat, Imperial. Thank you, guys. If I'm missing anybody, I'm sorry. All right, what do I do?
Just click end live, I think.
End broadcast.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my God. It's still not. Didn't go through.
Yeah, and
Mhm.